Alright, so today I'm unboxing what might be the cheapest RGB gaming combo on Amazon. This is the FRONTECH wired gaming keyboard and mouse. I got it for just ₹79, that's around 5 USD. Yep, that's the whole combo for less than the price of a burger. But yeah, it literally came in just the product box. No Amazon outer box, no bubble wrap, no padding, nothing. Just this box straight from the warehouse, and honestly that's risky. Let's open up and hope nothing's broken. Before I open it, here's the product details. You're getting a 1.4 membrane keyboard and RGB backlight design and a 600 dpi optical mouse, and both are USB plug and play, no software needed. Now looking at the keyboard, I have to say it actually looks really good. Sleek black color, and it has this nice shine under light. The corners of each key are rounded and the design feels surprisingly premium for the price. On the back, you get those little fold out stands so you can adjust the typing angle, which actually helps reduce wrist pain. A nice touch that I didn't expect at this price point. But here's the thing, the RGB backlight on the keyboard didn't turn on. I tried pressing most of the function keys, combos, couldn't find the button to activate it. It's one of the big letdowns. I know the lights are there, but there's no clear way to turn them on, or maybe this unit is just not working properly. The mouse also came slightly damaged, not fully broken, but yeah, the corner is cracked, most likely due to the poor packaging and logistics. Even the keyboard box itself was a bit bent. No foam, no protection, just vibes. But the good news is both keyboard and mouse still work. Typing feels okay. It's a membrane keyboard, so don't expect mechanical level feedback, but for casual use, it's totally fine. The mouse also functions properly despite the crack. So is it worth ₹479? Honestly, not really if you're expecting working RGB lights and good packaging. The design is great, the feel is fine, but with no backlight, a damaged mouse and poor delivery handling, it's a bit of a letdown. I'd rate it a 4 out of 10. Not because it's horrible, but because the quality control is missing. If you just want to try something fun and cheap, sure, for it. But if you're building a proper setup or are tight on budget, skip this. Better to save a bit more and get a basic mechanical keyboard without RGB, or go for a more trusted brand. Links in this Steel 1S3 if you check it out, that helped it out. Hit like if this all want traction, and don't forget to subscribe for more real tech content. Catch you in the next one.